Design Tip Tuesday. When it comes to floors in your home, wood, and more wood is what everybody is picking. Now, whether it is a vinyl plank product, a luxury vinyl plank, or a wood tile, the most important thing to consider is the direction that you're gonna lay this wood product. Do you want to go front to back of the house, so you're going with the front door, or do you wanna go side to side of the house? Now, every floor plan is different, but I would say 90% of the time, you'd like to walk in your front door and go with the grain of wood, just like this here. Now, there are cases to be said where the floor plan makes more sense to go side to side, but it's something to take a look at because this can really make or break the floors that you put in your house. So we'd love to share more tips and trends with you, so subscribe to our YouTube channel or come on in the showroom and take a look at all of these options.